Hey guys, welcome to Module 2, Project 1. I reinstalled the entirety of the thing, so now I have a whole blank canvas to work with, which is essentially what you're going to have to work with, so I'm just going to do this step by step with you. After you look at the sheet that you printed out, just follow the steps. Very simple. So here's what we're going to do. Get the complex, immediately right into it. Some of the stuff is going to be based off of Project 1A. Haven't seen the video, go for it. So here's what we're going to do. Copy the contents of range A6 to A11 and paste them into the range A15 to A20. A6 to A11. Oops. Control copy. Control paste. Easy enough. Okay. So in B11, create a formula using the sum function to total values in range B6 to B10. B11, so we're going to hit sum parentheses B6 to B11 to B10. My bad. Could literally just highlight all of it. It was put in and just hit enter. Give you the total. Okay. Use the fill handle, copy the formula in cell B11 into the raised C11. So over here, home, fill, right? This is exactly what we did in the first one. We're just going to be doing it again here. To F11. Okay. Right. So copy the contents of F5 to F14. F5 right here, control copy, F14, paste. Okay. In cell E15, create a formula that multiplies the value of cell E6, put the value in cell E14. Use a relative reference to cell A6 and absolute reference to cell E14. This is a bit different. You need to have this. This is a mixed formula with relative and absolute reference. I got this wrong, so just follow along for this one. So in E15, here's what you're going to have to do. You're going to have to equal sum, and then you're going to have E6, click it, times, here's the one that's a bit different. Going to have to do $sign times, alright. Going to do $sign E $sign 14. Then you hit enter. You're gonna get this total, and then you're just gonna have to fill it in. All this down to E19, fill down. Okay, just gonna keep doing that. Fill down, fill down, fill down. At the moment, gonna leave all of this completely blank. So use the fill hammer, copy the formula in cell B20 to range C20 to E20. We have this right over here, very easy. We already did that. So we're just gonna, same thing, fill, right, tab, fill, right, tab, fill, right, tab. Done. Okay. So Camille wants to open a new restaurant in a different city, blah, blah, blah. So in A22, this one, gonna have to change it to average tax rate for all cities. Just hit enter, don't put a period. So in cell D22, you need the average function, so you're going to hit equals average, and then you want B14 to E14. So highlight that, enter, done, 7.50%. So in cell you're just going to simply type in highest tax amount collected across products. Enter. Done. So in D23, they want the max function. Alright, so this one I did a bit differently because I wasn't too sure about the function myself, so I just did it based off of here. So we're going to go to insert function, and then we're going to hit max. If you can't find it, you want to go to either statistical or all. I recommend statistical because it is going to be right here, max, min. You want max at the moment. Go and hit OK. And so they just tell you what you want to insert. And what we want is F15. Oops. F15 to F19. Go ahead, enter. It's going to give you this big one. And that's exactly what you're going to want. D24, you're going to do the exact same thing, except instead of max, you're going to want min. Going to give you the same thing. So it's going to be F15 to F19. Enter. Going to give you this small number. And basically, this does everything for you. So in cell D25, create a formula that subtracts the value in cell F20 from the cell in F11. So this one, you're just going to have to equals, and you're going to do F11 minus F20. If you do F20 first, you're going to get a negative number. You don't want that. Hit enter, you're going to get this big ass number. Do F11 first. It's bigger than this one. You want a positive number. Okay. So this one is going to be a round. So function, going to go to round, which is going to be in all. Don't go statistics at this one. Just go all. But since I already did it, it's going to be in my most recent use round. Okay. It's going to give you this. So you want D25 in this one, right? And the number of digits over here, just put in 0. It's going to round it up to 0. And then you're going to hit OK. Going to get this big number. Okay? So because Camille already calculated, A27 to D27 no longer necessary. So just go over here. And then home, we're going to delete. Going to delete the cells. Just delete it. Okay? And do shift and manually sum us up. So A3 contains a note indicating what you want to do with A3 is just delete this. Enter. We're done. Save it. You're going to want to save it as 2 because over here it says 1. You want to file. You want to save it as 2. You're going to want to save it as 2 instead of 1. So yeah, that's basically it. Thank you for watching, and I really hope this helps.